Hi everyone, I'm Niresh Kulasiru here. Today I'll be presenting my individual assignment for statistics. The topic that I did research on is the practices of healthy lifestyle among UMT students, whereby I gather the data through Google Form. And the method that I use to conduct this research is by stratified sampling method, whereby I pick samples from year 1 students till year 4 students. And this is the data that I've obtained assessment. Okay. I'll be using one contoh. I'll be giving you one example. First of all, I'll take Jantina. Press, scroll down, shift from point. All right. Highlighted. Then we have Control C, go to Sheet, and paste it here. Control V. All right. Okay. Next, we take berat badan. Press, go down, Shift, Control C, Control V, and we expand it. Okay. All right. Next, as you can see here, the data. We have to sort the data. Okay. Highlight all of them. Sort it. Go to sort and filter A to Z. Now the data is sorted out. As we can see, the lucky we have 21. How I know? We go to the count here. Can you see here? Count. There's 21 lucky, and the rest of them are all perempuan. Perempuan, we have 9. So there are 30 participants who have answered by Google Form, and the data from collected here is from 30 participants, whereby 21 is from male and the 9 is from female. Next, we have to highlight the lucky and sort them out, because as you can see, the data, the number is not accurate, not from smallest to largest. So then we press it, continue with current selection, start. Now the data is sorted out from small to large. So now here, as we can see, if we want to calculate our class interval, it's simple. As we can see, 52 is our minimum value and our maximum value for male. We're only focusing on male now, 98. So mean value 52, mean value 52, max value 98. This will make our calculation look easier to see the data. So now how we calculate class interval is by using the 2k power rule. Use the 2k, 2 to the power of k equals to, use 5 equals to 32. Why I use 5? Because my total respondent is 30. And when we use 2k power rule, our total here, our equals should be more than the 30. That means more than our total. So now for me to get more than that is by putting 2 to the power of 5, whereby I will have 5 classes. And and this total number is more than the respondents that I've collected. So it's okay. We can use 5. And then how I find my class width? Class width is by taking the max value minus the minimum value. Max value minus the minimum value divide k. So as you can see, 98 minus 52 divided by 5. K is 5. K is 5. Okay. Then I'll get my answer 9.2, which I will raise it to 10. Make it 10. So that means one class range, I'll have 10 numbers in it. That's how I get a 50. As you can see, 2k to the power of 30, I put 2 to the power of 5 equals 32, 98. And then one class, we have 10. Then how I get this frequency is simple. We just take, highlight 1 until 50 to 59. We have how many? We have 4. That's how we done. Then we write here, 4. And 60 to 69, we have how many? 60 to 69, we have how many? We do like that, okay? 9, 5, 2, and so on. Next, how we get this table? Okay, I'll show you now. I delete it. First of all, we highlight this. Highlight both. And you see quick analysis here. Charts, more charts. Okay. That's how you get this graph bar. That means this graph bar representing berat badan for lelaki. And how you want to add labels, just add labels on it. Okay, chart title you can write here, because since this is for berat badan and it's specifically for lelaki, so we write berat badan lelaki. That's all. That's it for bar. And if you want to see in a pie chart, you just press your charts, go to pi. That's it. And we put the same thing, berat badan lelaki. And we add label to it. So this is for this is in bar and this is in pi. Okay. Right. For the next part of the video, I'll show you how I managed to organize this data in a descriptive way, in a graph way, where you can see the data even more clearly. First of all, I give you a contoh. I take jantina, perempuan and lelaki, highlight that, Control C, go to sheet 6, paste it here, Control V, then we enlarge the data. Then we sort them out, A to Z. Okay, and then we know right here we have 21 lelaki. So we take 21 divided by the total number of participants, lelaki and perempuan, which is 30 times 100, which I will get 70%. So I get 70% for lelaki. That means I know from my research that I conducted, 70% from my research is lelaki, and the rest of them, the 30% is from perempuan. So how? Once I gather this information, I go to Microsoft Word and I press insert, go charts, and then select column. Go to column, select the graph bar. Once selected, then press edit data. Right? As you can see, this is how it is. 70% for male and 30% for female. That's how I do for each and every column for jantina, bangsa, umur, and so on. This is for umur jantina, and this is for umur, bangsa, and so on. Yeah, okay. I did the same thing for bahagian B as well. I took a question, first I went to the Excel, I took a question which is, berapa kalikah pelajar bersenam atau melakukan aktiviti fizikal dalam seminggu? So the most respondent for that is 2 to 3 times. That means UMT students, most of them exercise 2 to 3 times per week. They are 47%, the rest of it is 30. The rest of them are 4 to 5, 17%, and so on. Okay. Next part of this video, I'll be showing you how I obtain this descriptive statistic. I'll give you one contoh, umur. First of all, we go to the Excel, go to umur, go to data analysis. We select descriptive statistics, press OK. And then we press this arrow up, highlight all of them, 21 until the end. Right, okay. And then press down back and press summary statistics, confidence level, okay, and okay. As you can see, the data for umur, which is the age, has came out. So we can just write here umur descriptive statistics. Okay, for umur, the mean is 22.53. Standard error we have 0.25. Median we have 22.5. The mode is 21. Standard deviation 1.38. Sample variance 1.91, and so on. We have confidence level 95. Always set the confidence level to 95 because that's the official setting, the standard setting for any data analysis. Okay, next, if you want to do for berat badan, also can. You go to data analysis, descriptive statistics, press this arrow up, go to berat badan, highlight everything. Same thing. Okay, down, make sure you take summary and confidence. Okay, that's it. This is for berat badan. Okay, kg, berat badan. Okay, mean, standard error, mode, and so on. Mode, we have 60. Some data we don't have mode, but that's okay, no problem with it. Okay, all right, next, I'll be showing you how I obtain inferential statistics. First of all, we go to assessment, click umur, we go to data analysis first, go down, we go to t-test sampling, t-test 2 sample assuming equal variances. We click on this t-test 2 sample assuming equal variances. Okay, and then we press the first variable 1, press arrow up, and then we divide this data. Because since there's 30 here, so I'll be dividing my data into 15, 15, divide 2. Okay, from here, 31 till 17. 31 till 17, 1, and then press down. And 2 till 16. All right, okay, down. Then next, all right, labels, everything. Okay. As you can see, this is my inferential statistic, which means t-test 2 sample assuming equal variances. Okay, this is for umur. We have mean 23.6, variance 0.809, and mean 21.4, and variance 0.4 for variable 2. That's how we do it. for inferential and descriptive. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.